Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions. Is printable, is upper, is space, is title. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So strings are nothing but collection of any characters in Python programming. So the technical definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or even triple quotes. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. And in string, we have indexes to each and every character. For example, SS equals to hello. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are indexes from left to right. HELLO. And we have indexes from right to left: -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. And here we use slice operator to access individual characters of a string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we can also use negative indexes: SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Now coming to isprintable character, it checks whether a given character is printable or not and returns true or false, printable or display on the console. Isupper, it will check whether all the characters are in uppercase or not and returns true or false. Ispace, it checks whether a given string has only white spaces and returns true or false. Istitle, it will check whether a given string is in title case, which means only the first character of the string is in uppercase, remaining all are in lowercase, or doesn't matter if it is in lowercase or uppercase. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string functions example 5. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. SS equals to hello space world is printable, true. SS is equals to hello tab space world is printable. So let us check till here. Right, so save the program. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So true, false. So tab space is a character which is non-printable. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to take hello new line world is printable, hello space world with special characters, exclamations in the last. So false and then true. New line is not printable, space and special characters are printable. Next, coming to is upper. So checking for uppercase or not. SS hello in uppercase is upper, true. SS hello space world is upper, true. SS hello in lowercase is upper, false. SS hello space 123 is upper, true, though we have special characters or digits. So true, true, false, true. So next is space. Okay, right. So first I'm taking here, we'll do two cases here. SS I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. SS dot e space, true. SS new line character e space, true. Next, okay, we'll execute till here. So true, and second one true. So third case, SS single space e space, true. SS tab space e space, true. Right, save it and run. True and true, tab space and single space. Next, SS backspace e space, false, because it is backspace, one space back, but it is not a regular space. Carriage written e space. Okay, so false and then true. Next, Care is written is a space, but backspace is not a space character. Next, SS hello space world. Is space. No, it is not a space character. False, because we have hello, world, which are alphabets. Right. Next, coming to is title. So I'm taking SS hello space world, H capital W capital, is title. Only the first character should be in uppercase, then only it will return true. So H is hello, then it will return true. Next, hello space world. So first character is not in uppercase, it returns false. Is title false. Next, SS equals to hello space world place 123 at the rate. So H is in capital, is title. Okay, right, it is true. H is capital. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions. Is printable, is upper, is space, is title. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.